Hello and welcome to National Geographic. Today we will be talking about the effect that we, as humans, have on the environment.
As well as the stance and the Green Party has on this.
And finally, we'll talk about the advantages and disadvantages of using crude oil to make plastics.
The Green Party see global warming as a threat in itself to our survival as species, and a warning of a more general ecological collapse.
They believe that human-made climate change is an unprecedentedly serious threat to our welfare, but only the Green Party understands that this is just one sign of the stress our economies and lifestyles put on the environment.
They want to reduce the emissions by 10% each year.
They also understand that oil is running out and the demand for it now is higher than ever.
They want to reduce carbon footprints as well as water footprints and other footprints that we have. We as humans hold a great power over the world.
And we have a responsibility to protect it.
We have a carbon footprint, and it's in our own interest to try and reduce it. A carbon footprint is how much carbon dioxide we release independently.
Carbon dioxide levels have been rising to a higher point than ever before, and we need to decrease the speed at which it is rising.
We need to be more conscious about how much paper we use. Go!
Did you
wait,
go?
Wait.
Okay, say 3, 2, 1, go, okay?
3, 2, 1.
Another reason for carbon increasing is frequent forest fires. Forest fires emit carbon dioxide into the air.
Moreover, using plastic dismissively increases the amount of oil needed.
Yeah! Making factories work more.
Leading to more carbon dioxide being released.
Humans cut down trees to make paper and to make space for buildings.
This causes habitat loss and animals species become in danger.
Another important issue is the greenhouse effect.
The greenhouse effect is when the Earth's atmosphere is getting thicker and more heat from the sun's rays is being trapped.
Now, too much heat is being trapped inside the Earth because of the thick atmosphere. This causes temperature and sea levels to rise.
This causes floods and drought.
Plastic is made using crude oil.
Over 2.5 million bottles are used every hour. That's not including plastic bags and other objects that are made of plastic.
Due to this mass production of plastics, too much crude oil is being used.
Harmful chemicals are being released into the atmosphere.
There are a few advantages to using crude oil as plastics.
For example, crude oil is easy to handle, transport, and store.
They can be incinerated, which produces a lot of heat for homes and electricity. However, it releases very high levels of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere.
It's biodegradable. This means microorganisms cannot break it down.
Plastics can be tell me when you're going. Recycled. This can reduce the amount of crude oil used.
But different plastics have to be separated first, and this can be very expensive.
We hope you learned lots from your lesson today.
Bye.
Let's get into
No, we're not doing.
Are you going?
Wait. They want to reduce the emissions by 100% each year. They want to reduce the carbon footprint. We as humans hold a great power over the world.
Making factory. I was whispering.
This causes habitat loss and endangered species become endangered. This causes habitat loss and what?
They can be incinerated. This causes.
Wait! Go.